Yes, there is an interruption because of some technical problem. So I said that Mahaprabhu, when Bakreshwar Pandit starts singing, he also becomes so satisfied that Bakreshwar, along with Bakreshwar Pandit, Mahaprabhu also starts singing. And he said that you are like one of my wing. And if I have a second Bakreshwar like you, Bakreshwar Pandit like you, I have two wing, I would have two wing and I could have fly. So that is the feeling of Mahaprabhu with Bakreshwar Pandit. Bakreshwar Pandit, the Vigraha, which is worshipped by Bakreshwar Pandit, is known as Sri Radhakanto, which is there in the residence of Kashi Mishra, where in Gambhira, where Mahaprabhu also resides. And we know that this Radhakanto deities are very famous because during Damodar Mass, when we glorify the different deities, we generally say that Radhakanto is very, very close of Bakreshwar Pandit. Sri Radhakanto, Radhakanto Radhe, Sri Bokreswarero Prano, Dhano he Srilo Bokreswarero Prano, Dhano he